Hi friends, this is John Kingston from JR Trading Zone. This is a very short video. From 9:15 to 3:15, scaring in front of the computer or screen is very difficult for a trader. So in this video, I am going to explain how you can set alarm in TradingView chart. Option buyer, we need breakouts. Breakouts only happen in particular areas. In the video OSR at CPR, I have explained why breakout is happening in that pattern. You know, I always say in my videos, I trade in 22 patterns and I have written a book which is available in Amazon KDP. And I have explained two patterns. From the book, I have already explained two patterns. One, the OSR at CPR, the other one is gap border strategy. Okay, in OSR CPR, it is a reversal pattern, and why it reverses, and when it reverses only we have to enter there. Okay, as an option buyer, the entry must be very precise. The entry and exit is very important for an option buyer. Few of my friends used to tell, how can we scare in front of the computer full time? We have to watch in front of the computer. We are marking the position, everything. If we are having a plan before entering, that is okay, but always we have to see the computer. It is very disturbing for us. For that people, and for this problem, I am giving a solution. You don't want to watch the screen all the time. You can just set a what we say alarm in the screen, and when the alarm is giving you a warning, you can just go and take your position. How many lots you are going to take, how much capital you are going to deploy, what is the stop loss, what is the what we say target, and everything. You must be prepared, but you don't want to watch the screen. You can do some other works around, and you can set an alarm, and when the alarm is giving a warning, you can go and initiate the trade. This is what I want to explain in this video. This is a very short and simple video. Hi friends, last week I made a video, gap border rejection. Okay, gap border rejection. If you have not watched the video, definitely you should watch the video, because if you have not watched that video, definitely you should watch the video. It is a very useful video for you. 18th, a long red candle, it reverses in this particular area. In this particular area, we are watching this area because this area is gap border area. This area, if any weakness is happening in this position, we are ready to enter. Okay, in this area, then I entered the trade here at this place, because this was a narrow CPR that day. So narrow CPR, you know, will be a trending day. So my assumption was that the day will be a trending day, but I was waiting the day's low to be broken. Here the day's low means, here three reasons why I entered the trade. One, the day's low was broken, number one. Number two, the previous day low, that is the yellow line here, previous day low was broken. Then S1, the support one in CPR, that was also broken. Three supports are broken, and I entered in this particular candle. Okay, for the entry, what I do, you know, I just go and bring the cursor here. You see, at this end, what you should do, you should just press the icon and one tab will be opened. Alert on Nifty at 19,771. You just switch it on. Now you can get a clear line there. Let me remove the CPR for clarity. You see, whenever the candle reaches this position, when Nifty is crossing 19,771, you are getting an alarm. At that time only, you just want to go and react. Okay, if you are a very aggressive trader, you could have taken trade in this position itself. For that, simple, just you should go here, press this icon, tab will be opened, and you just click here. Now you see a line will be created. This is alarm. Whenever the candle crosses this line or touches this line, you can get an alarm. Very simple, very easy. So you don't want to scare in front of the screen till the position is reached. Okay, after the position also, if you are having a stop loss or if you are having a target, you can set alarm like this. Okay, you see, then you are applying the CPR, support 1, support 2, support 3 and support 4. If you are willing to take one of the profit at this point, the S3 point, just go press here, set alarm. Then if you want your stop loss to be kept here at this point, you can go add alert. Yes, you see, here also stop loss is created, but I won't recommend anyone to put stop loss as alarm. Better you can put stop loss order, or you can put the stop loss in your system. For your target, you can, what you can do, you can set alarm. Therefore, this is a very simple method of not sitting in front of the screen. Even though if you are sitting in front of the computer, you can do several other activities. You can read books, you can watch TV, you can go and watch news channels, you can talk to your friends, and you can do every other activities. As and when the alarm is activated, or when the alarm is giving you an alert, definitely you can go and take it. Some of my friends always ask, how should we put orders? Should we wait from 9:15 to 3:15? Some days we are not getting opportunities like that. If you are a day trader, definitely you should be in the room, you should be near the computer or everything, but you don't want to look at the computer. Okay, looking at the computer sometimes creates a lot of problem also. We will take some unwanted trades. So don't scare in front of the computer, don't sit in front of the computer and see the screen always. Always you will have a system where to enter. It will be very useful for those who are trading in options buying segment, and those who are trading in stock options also, stock options or in stocks also. For intraday traders, it will be very beneficial. And this is a very simple video, but it is a very useful video actually, because sitting in front of the computer and seeing the chart all the time from 9:15 to 3:15 is very we will feel very bored, we will feel very tired also. So I think you understand this video, and that's all from this video. Hi friends, I think you got a knowledge from this video. This is a very simple video, not a great technique, but few of the traders don't know how to set this alarm, and this will be very useful for you if you are an option buyer, or if you are trading in stock. Okay, stock or stock options, anything, because definitely when for a buyer, the entry is very important. Only when it reaches the particular area, you should go and take action. Okay, so this is a very simple video. You have learned a small thing from this video. If you like this video, press the like button, support my channel. Lot of subscribers I have gained for the past weeks. Thanks to all those who are subscribing my channel, watching my video and sharing my video. Learn more, earn more. This is John Kingston signing off from JR Trading Zone. Bye.